All right, so we are done now. We've let that thing soak for over an hour. So now we're gonna cut it loose and see how well it did. So. Put that in there for now. Now let's see. Much better. Now it's going double the amount. It's clean. You don't have to worry about taking the shower head off, possibly stripping the threads, trying to put it back, replacing it with a new one. It costs you double the amount of money. So I wanted you guys to see a quick and easy way that you can actually save your shower head, get it cleaned, and take care of what you need to take care of. All right. So this is Tim, the Tool Man from Home Improvement. I want to say thank you again. Keep subscribing if you like our stuff. We got a lot more to come. All right. Take care. Bye bye.